Hello everybody, my name is Mikkel McAllister, and I have chosen to do my Million Things project on paper clips. So I hope you have fun and enjoy the video. This is what 100 paper clips looks like. These are the jumbo size, but 100 paper clips. These, yep, 100 paper clips. You heard me right. I can fit 100 paper clips in my hand. This is what 100 paper clips looks like, sorted into piles of 5. These paper clips probably make you wonder, what would 1 million paper clips look like? Well, I'm here to tell you that because I'm in a math class in college. And if seeing those 100 paper clips doesn't make you wonder what 1 million would look like, then I'm jealous. Or you're just not in Math 1030. When looking at one singular paper clip, we can see that it's worth about 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters. For the sake of this project and my sanity, I am rounding it up to 2 inches for all of my calculations. Yeah. We're gonna look at what 1 million paper clips would look like in familiar measurements like feet, inches, yards, and miles. All right, this paper shows my work for the imperial system of the measurements. So 1 paper clip is equal to 2 inches. So 1 million paper clips is a lot of inches, but to be exact, it's 2 million. That's not really a familiar measurement. So I then took my inches and turned it into feet. 12 inches equals 1 foot. So 2 million inches is going to be equal to 1,666,667 feet. That's still a lot of feet, and it's not very familiar either. So I took feet and turned it into yards. So this many feet is equal to 555,556 yards. This is equivalent to 463 football fields. That's a lot of football fields. So then I took my yards and I turned it into miles. 1,760 yards is equal to 1 mile. So 55,556 yards is equal to 32 miles. 32 miles is pretty distant, but I kind of took it to a marathon. A marathon, for all the runners out there, is 26.2 miles. So 1 million paper clips is a little bit over a marathon. The imperial system, which includes measurements like feet and inches and miles, is used in the US. But that's not how it is all over the world. There's also a metric system, which we've talked about in this class, which is meters, kilometers, centimeters. So I will also be doing my measurements in the metric system. This is the paper with my work for the metric system. So 1 paper clip is about equal to 4.5 centimeters. So 1 million paper clips is equal to 4.5 million centimeters long. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So 4.5 million centimeters is equal to 45,000 meters. Meters is a little bit smaller and not as easy to measure. So I did it into kilometers. 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 45,000 meters is equal to 45 kilometers. The Eiffel Tower is 300 meters tall. So 1 million paper clips would be equal to 150 Eiffel Towers stacked up on top of each other. That's kind of crazy. Realistically, we wouldn't want to measure all of these things out by hand because that would be boring, redundant, and would take way too much time. So that's why we use math like this to be able to figure out these mundane things quick and easy. Thank you for listening to my project. This is what 100 paper clips looks like. If I can open the box. We're just gonna leave it. We're gonna see how much. What?